Lehigh White Cement is a cement manufacturing company. We represent roughly 50% market share globally, so we do dominate in our sector. I'm responsible for the direct operations, for labor, for union, employment law, all the operational HR components. What Lehigh White needed is a partner who could support us in areas that we could not internalize. Driving benefits strategy, overall payroll from an operational perspective. ADP brings that knowledge and capability to us. For us to not have these capabilities in place, we wouldn't attract top talent, we wouldn't retain top talent. Downstream, we would be at a significant disadvantage. It would be catastrophic.
Our ADP rep is Sandra, and she's amazing. I feel like our ADP reps that I work with are like family. She looks at our needs as a company, and she works with us on every aspect of our payroll and benefit systems.
She understands not only our labor situations, but she also understands employment. My biggest regret will be one day if she gets promoted and moves on. She's definitely a huge component of our organization.
The ADP reps are some of the best people I've ever met. They make us feel that we're all from the same company and we all work together. And that's what's nice.
What ADP brings to the table is operational expertise in the specific functional areas for HR, whether that's payroll, benefits, leave administration, employment law, just to name a few. They provide the expertise and they provide the technology. ADP provides a sense of security and a reduction in my stress level. Our company can grow because I can externalize this extra highly operational work to ADP. We're allowed to integrate and bring in greater headcount into our company, but my HR team is allowed to stay the same size.
With ADP, everything's right there together, it's organized, and our employees are very, very happy with it. It's made all of our lives a lot easier.